Over in Lawrence County, they are facing an emergency from the threat of COVID-19. Lawrence Mayor Nathan Sin records an urgent video. He did record one going to the public, pleading with the public to take the coronavirus seriously and use precautions. The mayor says all Prisma hospitals in the upstate are at capacity and that the National Guard has been brought into his area to help field medicine support.
Fox Carolina's Matt Kaufax talked one-on-one with Mayor Sin tonight and joins us live with more on what he's asking his people to do.
Yeah, well, first and foremost, he's asking people to use precautions like this mask on my face right here. And today, right in front of City Hall, the mayor did tell me that he's referring to the current situation in Lawrence County as a 4-alarm fire situation. He says those who get sick here from COVID-19, which is rapidly spreading, or any other illness may no longer have beds waiting for them. He says that this is, in fact, their new reality. Mayor Nathan Sin says Lawrence Hospital is facing a dire emergency, nearly unable to handle the amount of COVID patients coming through its doors.
I think it's vitally important that the community knows that now is the time to take urgent action.
The mayor says his worst fears about what would happen if people didn't take the threat of COVID-19 seriously back in March have been realized.
This isn't a threat of danger that may perhaps come. This is the current situation. We're reporting the situation as it is right now.
He says exhausted and emotional hospital workers are ordering extra stretchers, supervising an overflowing critical care units, and calling in the National Guard to help.
When you have hospital administrators that are just sort of at their wits' end, wondering why we can't get the community to do what's been consistently asked of them.
He says it's nothing new. Wear a mask, socially distance, wash your hands, don't gather, and yet many are missing the mark, living as if there's no pandemic.
I think there's folks that have gotten bad information.
He's begging the community to trust medical professionals.
Listen to official sources. Trust DHEC. Trust folks who spend their lives trying to save lives. We have to come to grips with reality. This virus isn't liberal or conservative. It's not Republican or Democrat. This is simply a matter of being able to look out after our healthcare workers and give them the ability to treat those who need it most.
The virus, not partisan. The message, do your part. It's really not that hard, just simple precautions you can take. He did end our interview, the mayor did, on a hopeful note, saying that there is a light at the end of the tunnel with the vaccine, but whether Lawrence walks or limps with more sickness into that light, he says, that's up to you. In Lawrence tonight, Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.